Good morning, class. This is the next topic of partnership, in which we are going to discuss about the merits, that is advantages, and demerits, that is disadvantages of partnership. So let us go to the point number one, merits of partnership. Point number one says easy to form. Easy to form means the formation of a partnership firm is very quite easy because there is no legal foundation to start the business. Even though there is no compulsion on the registration of partnership. आपकी मर्जी है, आप registration करवा सकते हैं. If you want to do that, it is good. If you don't want to do that, it is up to you. Which means the formation of a partnership firm is quite very easy due to no legal foundations. Second point is balanced decision making. Balance means if there are number of partners are 5, 6, 7, because minimum is 2, which means in every case the decisions will be taken by each and everybody who is expert in their field. Let us take an example. If somebody is very good in sales, he will take the sales decision. If somebody is very good in the purchase, he will take the decision of purchase. If somebody is very good in managing, he will be taking the managing decision. So which means there will be a proper specialization, proper structure in the balanced decision making. जिसको भी जो decision लेना है वो अपनी अपनी field में सबसे expertness की तरह ले सकता है, which is a good for the partnership firm. Third point is larger financial resources. It is as compared to the sole proprietorship. Because in sole proprietorship, there is only single person who brings the funds, who brings the money in the firm. But in case of partnership, the number of persons are more, which means minimum is 2 and maximum company case is 50, which means the number of capital will be increased in this case of larger financial resources as compared to sole proprietorship. Point number 4 is risk sharing. This is the case of, let us take example of loss. If a loss has been occurred, it won't be taken care by the single person. It will be divided in the ratio which is being mentioned in the agreement to each and everybody, which means the burden will be shared by each and every person in partnership. So the relaxation will be given to the each and every individual rather than taking the burden of individuals. Point number 5 is secrecy. Secrecy means to keep the secrets. The profits, the agendas, how to do the work in partnership, everything is being kept secret because in this partnership firm, you are not going to publish the details of the accounts in your any of the paper, or it won't be given to the publish to the public. So it is a secrecy point of view for the partnership to keep the every details of the firm in a very proper and confidential manner. So these were the merits. Let us proceed towards the demerits of the topic. Point number 1 is unlimited liability. As it is a part of feature also, if there is some of the debts which haven't been paid by the firm, the remaining will be taken care by the personal assets. Which means जो हमारा पैसा बच गया है, जो business firm नहीं निकाल सकता, वो remaining पैसा बिजनेस की एसेट्स में से नहीं निकल पा रहा, तो रिमेनिंग पैसे को अपने पार्टनर्स अपनी खुद की पर्सनल एसेट्स को यूज करके ही पे ऑफ करेंगे, व्हिच मींस अनलिमिटेड लायबिलिटी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे पर्सनल एसेट्स पार्टनर्स की यूज हो रही है. सेकंड पॉइंट स्टेट्स लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज. लिमिटेड का मतलब क्या है? अगर बिजनेस को आपको लार्ज स्केल एंटरप्राइज पे लेके जाना है तो रिसोर्सेज लिमिटेड है. मेरिट्स में हमने बोला था, लाइक आई हैव सेड दैट कि सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप से ज्यादा है, बट इफ यू वांट टू फॉर्म अ कंपनी, फॉर्म अ बिजनेस लार्ज स्केल पे, तब ये बिजनेस फ्रूटफुल नहीं है बिकॉज इसके अंदर फंड्स 50 मैक्सिमम 50 पीपल कैन अकोमोडेट, लेकिन फंड्स 50 ही ला सकते हैं. इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर द मोर देन मीडियम टू लार्ज स्केल पे जाना है तो ये पार्टनरशिप सुटेबल नहीं है बिकॉज यहाँ पे रिसोर्सेज क्या रहेंगी, कम रहेंगी टू फॉर्म अ लार्जर स्केल ऑफ द बिजनेस. थर्ड पॉइंट इज कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. Number of members more, number of members having their different concepts, different school of thoughts, different background, different family culture. So naturally there will be a conflict based on the basis of their thinking approach. तो कहीं ना कहीं उनके decision making में कुछ ना कुछ conflicts आ सकते हैं. So these are the points of conflict. Point number 4 is lack of continuity. Continuity means business को चलाने के लिए. Suppose any of the partner has been occurred an insolvent, he has met with an accident, death occurred, everything, any XYZ reason, so the partnership will come to an end at that point of time. The remaining partner can continue the business with a new partnership deed, लेकिन at present की जो partnership है वो wind up हो जाएगी because यहाँ पे कोई ना कोई continuity का scale बीच में आ गया है, like insolvency, imprisonment, डेथ और एनी ऑफ द फिजिकल एलिमेंट जिसके कारण वो पार्टनर नहीं ज्वाइन कर सकता बिजनेस, तो उस टाइम पे वो पार्टनरशिप खत्म हो जाएगी। पॉइंट नंबर 5 इज लैक ऑफ पब्लिक कॉन्फिडेंस, ट्रस्ट, फेथ। लोगों के अंदर ट्रस्ट और फेथ पार्टनरशिप के लिए नहीं एग्जिस्ट करता ड्यू टू द कंसेप्ट, बिकॉज यहाँ पे पार्टनरशिप के अंदर कोई भी चीज, कोई भी सीक्रेट्स कंपनी के पब्लिक अकाउंटिंग में नहीं जाते, पब्लिश नहीं होते हैं। इस कारण से लोग भी इसके अंदर प्रेफरेबल कम करते हैं टू ज्वाइन एज अ पार्टनर इन अ पार्टनरशिप। So these was the points of merits and demerits of partnership. So this was a zip wrap of partnership. So thank you so much students. Do visit my next video on the further topic of partnership. Thank you.